All right. The cordless vacuum cleaner off the TikTok shop. Let's open it up and check it out. Let's see what a good job it does. Ooh, a mount for the wall. Super excited about that because the Wise did not come with a mount. So I just have it plugged in. Another attachment. The only issue is I see screws here. This must be battery pack. Let's check it out. Oh, right, that's right. I think that this extends. It does. So you can make it small or longer. Okay. Obviously, I go here. Oh, yep, goes there. Okay. Now, question. Battery pack, where are you? That's still here. I'm gonna say now, I do really like the Wise vacuum, so I'm curious how this one is going to compare to it, because I like that one because it's super lightweight. This one's really lightweight too. I wonder if it has better suction. Okay, I figured it out. I'm definitely sold by this. I do like this vacuum. I can already feel the suction. I will do a comparison with my Dyson probably tomorrow. But I did want to do an unboxing and show you guys what it is.